Yes, 4 is the diameter, so 2 is the radius. H is 45. So let n spheres be required. So total volume of n spheres is n into 4 upon 3 into pi r square, pi r cube, right? The volume of sphere is what? 4 upon 3 pi r cube. R is what? This. Diameter is what? 6 given. So radius is 3. So 6 upon 2, 3. 3 cube. Okay. Now combine these two. Equate these two. So pi into 2 square into 45 equals to n into 4 upon 3 into pi into 3 cube. So solve this. You will get n equals to 180 upon 9 into 4, that is 5. So 5 metal cubes are required. This is simple calculation, just cancellation. You try it yourself. Okay, it will happen. Next, a right circular cone of 4.1 centimeter high and radius of the base 2.1 centimeter. Another right circular cone is 4.3 centimeters high and radius is 2.1 centimeter. Both the cones are melted and recast into a sphere. Find the diameter of the sphere. Means what? The volume of these two are to be found. Add them, and this volume of this sphere, equate them, the formulas. Okay, let's start. What is volume of cone? 1 upon 3 pi r cube, pi r square h, right? So pi upon 3 into r square h. So pi upon 3 into, first one is 2.1 square into 4.1. Second one is pi upon 3 into 2.1 square into 4.3. Add them. See here, pi upon 3 into 2.1 square is common. So 4.1 plus 4.3. Okay. So it becomes pi upon 3 into 2.1 square into 8.4. Now this is the volume of the two cones. Now volume of sphere is what? 4 upon 3 into pi r cube. Okay. Equate them. So 4 upon pi upon 3 into 4.41 into 8.4 equals to 4 upon 3 into pi r cube. We have to find the r and then the d. So just equate them, solve them. You will get r cube equals to 4.41 into 2.1. This 4 ones are 4. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.